Aluminum frame for photovoltaic panel. Aluminum frame for photovoltaic panel double shaft shredder. Double shaft shredder is appropriate for waste materials recycling requirements of various industries, such as electronic waste, plastic, metal, wood, scrap rubber, packing barrel, nail board, and so on. There are a wide range of recyclable materials, and materials after shredding can directly be reused or for further refining treatment according to requirements. This double shaft shredding machine has the characteristic a slow speed of revolution, high pulling torque, and low noise, etc. It can automatically control the start and stop function, reversal function, and automated inversion of control function when overloading of this twin shaft shredder, which greatly lowers labor and meanwhile generates high efficiency.